Photographers, we always looking for lights that can benefit us and not have to spend a fortune. I think I found something for you. So today I'm unboxing the Godox LE300BI. What I enjoy about this, it's not that much money, okay? It is around a couple $100, and it's very beneficial, especially when I am doing content just like this. So I have it right here, just barely. I have it on probably 20%, probably 10%. I forgot what I have it on, just so you can just see a little light in it. I enjoy it. It's not that complicated, and also something that I can use especially at home when making content. I think this is very good for people that's not really trying to spend so much money in a light. It's very powerful. Just to let you know, it is a very powerful light for you. I'm using this at home and in the studio when I'm making YouTube content. I needed something just basic, something that I don't have to really put effort into looking through the controllers and having complicated things. I got what I want, just a little light, just a little field light in certain situation. Cause at home I'm using a ring light, and that is not really beneficial for what I like to do, stream, and also making YouTube content. So at home, and when I'm making just simple content like this, I'm going to use it. It's very simple to use, like I said. So as you can see, unboxing process is very simple. You see all the items that you'll get. You don't really have to. You just study and learn everything. But if you had to use the light right now when it first came, if it arrived at the door right now and you had to use it, if you had 5 minutes, you can do it. When I'm doing more unboxing, I can easily use that light and put it down on my products or anything that I'm using. And also, yeah, this is what just came in my head. That's crazy. So when you do like product photos and product stuff, that's an easy light that you can do. That's gonna be a continuous dark shadows, like harsh light. Maybe you want to put a soft box on it if you want something more softer, but if you want something more harsh, it comes with everything. Me personally, I like softer stuff, but I might have to use harsh light occasionally, but not barely. But I need to fix that this year. But I enjoyed it. Do you have it? Have you used it? If you have, let me know if you like it. You already know what it is. I am Jonathan O. Walker, aka the Cultural Photographer, and we're back again. And we did it again with a unboxing video, first of its kind. Are we gonna do more? I don't know, but yeah. See ya. Until next time. Peace out for the gang.